It's just, this is pretty funny. It's cracking me up, so I wanted to show everybody. This is, pears and blueberries. And if I can get him to open his mouth. Benny. Hey. Hey. You don't like him? Good thing you have a bib on. Here. I know it's mean to feed him something he doesn't really like. Benny. Hey. Hey, baby. Open. Ow. No reaction that time? So Sarah, you gonna suck on your bottom lip? Here. Open! Open mad! Hey. Bugger! No more? Okay. Here, you want your spoon? Take it. Sorry. Oh. Uh-oh. No. Okay, we're done. Okay. So you say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nothing? Nothing? Okay. Bye, Benny.